In this video, we will teach you how to do the factory settings and what if your steering wheel control doesn't speak with the unit. It will go through factory setting as well. So when you power up the unit again, it will show you the screen and press the button on your lower left, which is this one. Sorry, actually it's the setting right here. And go to factory. The password you have to remember, which is 3368, and then press confirm. You go to the screen right here. Normally you can set up whatever you like reverse parking light. If you press on, it will just turn it on, and etc. But right now I have to show you another feature. What if the steering wheel control doesn't work or doesn't talk with the system right here? What you have to do is very easy. Go to this one, CANBUS upgrade, press this, and there's a prompt saying it will take about 10 minutes, but after 10 minutes, the CANBUS box, which is the encoder, will talk with the unit and also the steering wheel control as well. So press confirm, it will do its job, and that's done.